Today we're going to check out this affordable and premium set of golf club head covers. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I bought this set of head covers on Amazon because I thought they looked like they were pretty premium and they would cover all of the woods that I have in the bag. So I carry 4 woods these days, you know, driver on down, and so I wanted to have all 4 covered with the same head cover. Now this is by Majek, not Magic, Majek, and I also feel like it might be Majek. I'm not sure, but you can pick them up at pacificgolfclubs.com apparently. Like I said, got mine on Amazon. Now this set of 4 head covers here comes with a 1, a 3, a 5, and an X. So this could be your first hybrid, or it could be your 7 wood, which is actually becoming very popular. I will also say that I just saw a video with Phil Mickelson, and he said he carries a 2 wood, so people do that. All right, I'm gonna just pull out a couple of them here because the 3, 5, and X cover all seem to be the same size, and the 1 wood cover here tends to be a little bit bigger. But I just want to show you, man, this thing looks great. You can see here we have this little pebbling. I mean, at the distance right here, like a foot away, this thing looks like leather. It doesn't quite have a leather smell, so I think it is that PU, that polyurethane type of synthetic leather, which should do better in temperatures, water, sunlight, and kind of last a little bit longer. But honestly, it has like that, I mean, other than not having that leather smell, which actually might be the finish on it, but it has a little bit of that grippy, kind of rough texture. And this is a little bit of a matte finish. You can see we have that athletic striped diagonal lines here. Right up here, this looks, it also kind of looks a little like leather, a little less aggressive pebbling than it is right here on the white, but you can see how it's cut out. I mean, it's just really nicely done. The stripes here are made out of other pieces. You've got the gray, the white, and then the black. And then we have little Majek tag right here, but then that elastic underneath, so that when you put this over your club, you slide it in, it's going to hold it in place, it's not going to come off. But these are kind of what they call vintage style, but it's funny because this is what everything comes with. You know, if you buy a brand new golf club, they come with these kind of paddle style covers. Now I also grabbed my 3 wood right here. This is a Speed Zone, and pretty standard sized wood. And you can see here, it looks like we should have enough space in there, but I just want to go ahead and push it in there. And you can also see here, we have a fabric-like lining. I wouldn't call this like microfiber. It's more of a, just like a furry cloth. But if I go ahead and slide this on, let's just see if it goes on easily. And if it stays on, it goes on pretty easily. You can feel that resistance as it's expanding this elastic, and it goes on. So that ain't gonna come off, but look at that. Man. Like I said, I like it. It's got a pretty good neck here, so it's going to protect the shafts from getting banged around by your irons, which are going to be a little lower, and they're kind of trying to give it a throat punch right here. Protect your woods from your irons. Listen, this is pretty awesome, and I think it was like 54 bucks for the set of 4. So I think a really good looking set of head covers with a premium feel, black and white, panda look, you can't go wrong with that. And you get all 4. So especially if you're using not only just your driver 3 and 5 and something else, then this is what you got to get, which will be this little X shape here. Hey, link for these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.